Okay, we're going to make this today in OnCheck, this aluminum water tube, heating tube. First thing we're going to do is create a document, label it anything you want. Okay, you should have your tool thread creator already over here. So first what we're going to do is we're going to create a sketch. We are going to use the front pane. We're going to go ahead and start with the origin. And if you look at the dimensions here, you'll just follow the dimensions. So we're going to draw a line. I'm going to do it the easy way. First line is 1.81, escape. Another line is, we'll put it over here somewhere. Let me escape. That is 2.31, correct? Right. And then there is a circle. Escape. Let's start over real quick. A circle, and it is 1.95. Okay. Now you can use your constraints to line them all. So let's try, first things first, let's try a tangent of this with that. Okay, well, it didn't work. Let's try the coincidence right here with this. Two curves, this and this, or let's see, this and this. Okay, that worked. Let's do a coincidence again on this and that. Let's make a tangent, see if we can make a tangent. This and this. Okay, cool. All right. Let's exit out of that. Escape tangent. Go to the scissors. Just right here, and we have developed our profile sketch. Okay. That's the end of the first video.